So here's another Japanese grocery store called AEON. This is the first time I've been outside for the last couple of days because our whole family got sick. We have a minimum of the flu. It may be COVID, we don't know. We're here for a COVID test, actually. Okay, so let me show you the produce department, and then we're gonna go over to the middle of the store a little bit more. Japanese leeks are very different. But American leek says they're a lot more slender. They're also way cheaper here. Okay. So this is a small to mid-sized grocery store. Aha, the candy section. Chips. And maybe that wasn't the candy section. The candy section should be a lot larger than that. Guess I better find my wife, say which one of these says candy on these signs here, because no, I cannot read that, which is my fault because I'm in Japan. I should be able to read it. Okay, here is Kit Kat strawberry. I'm looking for orange, which is a special request by Reverend Amagon. Okay, not seeing Kit Kats except for that large bag. One of my favorite snacks here. I don't remember seeing this one. Okay, so anyway, this is another mid-size, small to mid-size grocery store in rural Japan. Pronounced AEON, I think. And this right here, this one's in Akita. Pretty sure this is a chain. I've seen these all over the place. We went to another one a couple of days ago. Of course, this has a Mr. Donut in it. Okay. And this is where you will check out. Okay, so there you are. Just another look at just something average in Japan. If you're enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe. And now that our family is getting over the flu or COVID, whatever we had, then there's going to be more of these. I was going to do a video at a ski resort day before yesterday, but we had to cancel it because you can't go to a ski resort when you have the flu or COVID. And then we were also going to go to a Toys R Us. See what a Japanese Toys R Us looks like. And then I want to go to a game and comic book store. So we will see if that's still possible. You know what, I'm going to go find an employee and ask them where the orange Kit Kats are. If they have Kit Kats, they should have the orange Japanese only one. Here, let's try this out one more time. These are chips. Nope, not finding them. Okay, I need to go find my wife and ask her to ask someone else. Excuse me, but where are the orange Kit Kats? All right, folks. See you in the next video. Peace out from Akita.